Ryan! Happy birthday! You might wonder where is Ryle, but then he has his own video as well. Anyway, I admire you and I adore you, because not just for being you, it's because for being a good father to Ryle, and I see that and I thank you for that, and also for taking care of me as the queen in the house. I always pray to God that He will bless you and guide you and protect you, and for giving you a good health always, because dili na ta bata dong, we are on the 40s na, lessened na ang ato ang stress, and also lessened na ang ato ang init sa ulo. Anyway, here's a few clips from our old friends and our relatives to wish you and greet you on your birthday. Once again, happy birthday and enjoy!
Hi Ryan! Happy birthday, Ryan! And may God bless on your birthday, and may God bless you with good health, and may bless you in the work of your hands, and may you have a good celebration, an enjoyable one. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Birthday, Kuya Ryan.
Wishing you good health.
Happy life.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Happy
Birthday.
Kuya Ryan. Wishing you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ryan. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, happy 40th birthday. May you have more birthdays to come, Ryan. And napunta nga mag-enjoy kasi mong birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ryan! From Team Parayahan! Why bang idihan?
Happy birthday, Kuya Ryan, and enjoy your day. I wish you kanang healthy mo ang family.
Happy birthday, Tikoy. May you distinct success in life and satisfied. Stay healthy. Since 40 naman ka, check up na dito sa mga layumang arthritis. Kaya kaming mga 20s. Layo pa. Happy birthday, Do. Continue to be a good provider and a good husband to Jean. Bless and love.
Hi, Kuya Rai. Happy birthday. Malipayong kaadlawon sa imo, subong.
Wow, thank you.
Hi Ryan, happy birthday.
Hi, Ryan! Happy birthday!
Mayong.
Hi Ryan, जन्म दिन आशंसകൾ for you.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi Ryan, wish you happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Hi Rai, your cycling buddy here from Singapore. We just wanna say happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ryan!
Happy birthday, Ryan. Miss you and Cheryl and Ralph. Take care.
Hi, Ryan. Happy birthday. Australian Taobao.
Hi, Ryan! Happy birthday! We miss you!
Hi Ryan, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ryan! We love you! God bless you! God bless you! We love you! Love ni Cheryl and your boy boy.
Bye.
And your boy boy. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Rai. God bless always. Have fun. 40.
Hello, Ryan. Happy birthday. Oh, shut na ta. More blessing to come and happy birthday. God bless you and your family.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Have a grand celebration. God bless and more blessings to come. Enjoy as you will pass this once in your lifetime.
Hello, Rai. Happy birthday. Kagwang-gwang na tagamay.
Bye. Happy birthday, bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bye. Message na mo, bye, is padayon lang, bye, hangtod sa mahimo kang professional biker. Kadawen, mablagan na jud ka, bye, sa imong ka maayo, bye. Padayon sa pagka maayo, bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Salamat sa mga tambag.
Happy birthday, Tito Ryan.
Tagay gihapon ta panagsabay, tagay gihapon. First, Papa ka.
Hi, Tito Ryan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, God bless. Good health.
God bless, good health.
God bless, good health.
Hi, Rai. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rai. More birthdays to come.
More birthdays to come. See you.
Happy birthday, Yan.
More birthdays to come and more tagay and more rides.
Yes.
Greetings from Sydney to Auckland.
God bless you and enjoy your day. Bye.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Hope you get to do some mountain biking and riding with Ryo.
Yeah, happy birthday and hope to see you soon.
Have a good one.
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
My birthday. 1, 2, 3, ma.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bye. Balik-balik na yung pupuhon. So, God bless sa inyong family.
Happy birthday. Buat ninyo diri. And God bless and more blessings and more years to come. Happy birthday again, Rai. We love you.
Peace out.
Happy
birthday, Ryan.
Happy birthday, Tito Ryan. I wish you the best birthday and the best time this year.
Happy birthday, Tito Ryan. I wish you wealth and good luck with the upcoming years.
Happy birthday, Tito Ryan. I wish you health, wealth, and more opportunities in the future.
Happy birthday, Rai. I wish you good health and more happy memories.
Happy birthday, Rai. Remember, age is just a number, and more adventures to come.
Let's hope.
And remember, Tito Ryan, you might be getting older, but you're getting wiser.
Let's hope balding isn't in your genetics.
Happy birthday,
Ryan.
Happy birthday, Tito Ryan.
Very supportive or baka ni siya nga dad sa iyang puni ko ito. Ay, God bless.
Nindo kayo kay ang imong birthday natulong gyud sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Happy birthday, idol. Kita kits.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ryan.
Happy 40th birthday, Yan.
Happy birthday, Rai.
Wish you good health.
And more blessings to come. Take care.
Take care, Yan.
Go.
Happy
birthday,
Tito
Ryan.
We wish you more blessings, good health, and enjoy your day. Bye.
Bye.
Hey Ryan, happy birthday dia, bye. Amping mo diyan ni Ching Ching. See you guys soon. God bless.
Musta? Happy 40th birthday. See you soon. Ananta ka sa New Zealand.
Happy birthday, Rai. Life begins at 40. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Hello, Rai. Happy birthday. Yamis Pogo karon. Special greeting kay sa Pogo. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Good health. Kita po, Rai.
Happy birthday, Ryan Ranger.
Hi, Tito Ryan. Happy birthday. Greetings from Chelsea and Daddy. Rai, happy birthday, Rai, ha? Life begins at 40. We wish you luck always. God bless.
Bay Ryan, happy birthday. Long live. Amping Jack Perming. Kamu si mong pamilya niya.
Bye Tigs, happy birthday. Enjoy sa imong adlaw na tawhan unta tagaan kag mayong hilawas. Amping dia regard sa tanan og ni Engineer Jerome. Cheers.
Let's go! Ryan! Tigli! Si Carl sa sumay ni First Girl. Happy birthday niya, First Girl. Himingan ako ni mo. Sige, magpagpalayo na ko. Uy! Nakas New Zealand, sa una na ako sa Singapore. Kunya, katong pag-college, naka-Stacy. Kunya, bis nga, ganahan ko makakita ni mo permi ka magpalayo na ko. Sao naman lang ni. Pero anyway, Pars ka, happy birthday diha. Niya, nalipay ko nga, malipayan kasi mong family. Niya, magkita mo panagsa ni Farter diha. Niya, ayo-ayo diha. Always.
Birthday, Ryan! Birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, God, may God bless your family ba yung makatagay na ito, balik sa Cebu. Ayaw na ay pagtagay, ikaw raw sa bye-bye!
Visit here again! Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Good day! Hello, Ryan! From your IRC brothers. Happy 40th birthday. May you continue to be a blessing and an inspiration to others. Enjoy your day.
Bro, Ryan, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come, and I hope today will be enjoyable for you and your family. Dugay na to magkita last time na to. Nagkita pa ta sa Singapore. So, nagsuroy pa jud ta sa Suroyanan dito sa Singapore. Hinaot nga kamo ni Cheryl, magmalipayon karong adlaw, and hope to see you soon. God bless you and your family always. Happy birthday, bro. Long live IRC.
Hi Ryan, today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish you good health and happiness. Again, happy birthday, my riding buddy.
Ayan, bro, happy birthday to you. I wish you good health, more blessings, and more rides. Be it train, road bike, or any kind of ride. Sayo na ng ride sa babae, ha? Nag-ride mo dyan sa New Zealand. I hope ang mga baka di mo banggaan. Kung sila hila in town, kung mag-trail ka, ayaw banggain. Alungit ka sa baka. Okay, bro? I wish you, bro. Good luck and good health.
Bro Ryan, may yung adlaw diha. Happy birthday. Karon kaya nga itong daddy na papagong. I wish you good health and happy 40th birthday. Amping ka nun eh.
Ayan, may yung adlaw diha nimo. So, happy birthday sa imong pagka-40 na pag-amping kanunay may yung paglawas. So, ulit mo po Pilipinas.
Hi Ryan, greetings from Cebu. How are you doing? Just want to wish you a very happy 40th birthday, and may you enjoy good health, good wealth, loving family, and many more birthdays to come. Take care, bro. Stay safe.
Ayan, happy birthday. Wish na ko nimo tagaan pagtas nga kinabuhi. Uli na yan kay magluwa tag Julin debitaw. Magpatumod kun mo kantak. Magmanuwa tag basket. Amping dia permi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa akong amigo ni Big Ryan, boss, happy birthday. Ang ato ang kagrit na ko nimo, amping lang kanunay sa ato ang panarbaho. Thank you. God bless. Daghang salamat.
Happy birthday Ramon Revilla. Ay, Ramon Revilla. Ryan Digley, happy birthday. Ay kulimti ang atong rider sa Maharlika ha. And kita-kita puhan. Amping dapre and happy birthday and God bless you, God bless you. Okay. Bye sa karon kitabaho ko.
Hello, kumusta dia? I-greet din ako akong usa sa pinakagwapo, ambungan ug pinaka-bright nga kababata kaduwa sa una, si Ryan Digley. Happy birthday sir. Hinaot unta nga tagaan pagtaas sa kinabuhi, may pangnawas o grasya sa Ginoo. Kita-kits na puhon. Pagamay sa dakag bas kita. Happy Saray, happy birthday. God bless. Thank you.
Hi Ryan, may kababata, happy birthday. Hinaot nga tagaan pakagdaghang blessings o amping kakanunay. See you soon. Once again, happy birthday. Take care of yourself. Bye.
It's Key. Happy birthday. Siguro success in life nakuha na siguro nimo. Ang ako lang wish nimo kay good health o more leaders to come. Itaw amping mo diha og sa imong pamilya. Happy birthday, Ray.
Hi. Happy birthday, Ryan Digley. God bless. Happy birthday dia. Happy 40th birthday. In behalf sa itong mga silinganan diha diri sa barangayan sa Barangay Sambagdos, wish you all the best, bayan, and padayon tagwadwad para sa itong pamilya. So more blessings again. Unya maintain na itong pagkabatanon dia kay more rides po dia to come. Salamat. Yan, bye bye.
Happy birthday by Ryan Digley. Cheers to your birthday today. May you have more years in your life and more life to your years.
Happiest birthday, Manoy Rai. So on your special day, I just want to express my gratitude for everything that you have done for me. Your kindness, support, and generosity have made a meaningful impact on my life, and I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So may this year bring you abundant joy, good health, and success in all that you do. And you deserve all the happiness in the world with all your positivity and warmth you shared with others. And enjoy your special day to the fullest.
Happy birthday, Dong Ryan. Happy 40th birthday. Enjoy your day. And God bless you always and more blessings to come.
Hello, may hapon. Happy birthday, Dong Ryan. Hinaot ko tagaan kaag, daghan ang may pangtawas o sa imong pamilya, daghang blessings. Sila nang nakutatron kay kumanahi ang video sa kawan. Happy birthday, Usap.
Ayan, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish na ko nimo good health, good husband, good sa imong amping imong pamilya, kalimot sa pag-ampo kanunay kung sa mga blessing nga sa imong kinabuhi. Pag-ampo, pasalamat kanunay. Happy birthday.
Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Rad. Happy birthday.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We have more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Sige.
Happy birthday.
Tap na Jutia.
Ding-ding. Birthdays to come. God bless.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
From the Philippines, aunties and cousin.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ryan!
Happy birthday!
Ryan!
Congratulations and celebrate.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ryan. Happy birthday, Kuya Ryan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 40th birthday, Kuya Ryan. Ako, Kuya, happy 40th birthday sa akong gwapong pag-umangkod. Kinagwapuhan? Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday,
Kuya Yan, happy birthday, Ryan Tigay. Love you all. Birthday, Ryan.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Hinaot unta, dunay pundador. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ryan.
Happy birthday to you. You belong to the zoo with the monkeys and the donkeys and the elephant is you. Happy birthday, Daddy, Uncle Ryan. We love you. Bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 40th birthday, Uncle Ryan. We take care. We always take care.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Pa! I wish you many birthdays to come. And God bless you. And I love you. And